We are here on Offsite Dirt. I'm your host, Audrey Grabesic.
And I'm Kent Anderson with Wesco International's Manufactured Structures Group. Audrey, did you know at Wesco we have a vast portfolio of products?
I know, and I think the big takeaway is the top 6. So let's talk about plumbing.
Absolutely. Lots of products in the plumbing world are needed for the off-site construction industry, and a lot of those are pretty specific.
And when I think about plumbing and impacting the plumbing, I think about HVAC, I think about all those different things that have to do with electrical. Do you supply those materials as well?
Absolutely. Electrical and HVAC are two really large categories for us.
And when we look at HVAC, the thing that's happening in the industry right now is about being green. Do you guys perform, or do you have any suppliers that do mini splits?
Absolutely. We have several suppliers that do mini splits. Being green is where it all is about, but also, what about our indoor air quality, right? So we're really concerned about indoor air quality today, and we have tons of suppliers and products for those kinds of applications as well.
And when I think about the factories and how they run their factories, we're looking at windows, doors, tiles. What kind of products do you supply that impact those products?
Oh, great question, great question. Within all of those, there's a lot we can talk about, but building products that we bring to market are usually specifically selected to really perform a great function, especially for production line and warranty and service in the field.
And typically those products are like sealants, they're caulk. What other kind of things are we talking about?
So we're talking about coatings, we're talking about things for drywall applications, we're talking about specialized hardwares for different applications. It's really a wide variety and a vast portfolio.
And the other thing that I think is really interesting is you also impact an interior designer. What kind of things could you be supplying for an interior designer?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me, right? Knobs and pulls for your cabinets, of course. What sells a house? The kitchen.
Yes.
Right? And what better way to finish off than with a great looking matte black hardware package from Wesco.
Everybody's talking about matte black. It's a very exciting topic right now and a really hot trend.
It is absolutely on trend, no doubt about it.
Now you know about Wesco.